Hi everyone, welcome back to online classes. I am Christopher. We are discussing 6th class, the food we need. In the part 1, we discussed about variety of food items and common food items. In the second part, we discussed food ingredients and the sources of food ingredients. So now in this class, we will discuss about methods of preparation of food. Different methods of preparation of food. So now in this session we will discuss sixth science, the food we need, part 3. So in this part 3 we are going to discuss about different methods of preparation of food. Different methods of preparation of food. Different methods of preparation of food. Food is very useful for the growth and survival of life. For any life, food is very useful, very need. It's a need for the growth of a life, the survival of life, even if it is a animal or human. Need food for the survival of life, for growth of the body. We need food. So we are getting so many ingredients from the sources like plants and animals and other sources. By collecting all these ingredients, we have to prepare a tasty food. So this method of preparation is very essential for the preparation of food. So preparing food is an art. Some people prepare food very delicious and tasty. So it is an art. So we have to appreciate the people who will prepare food tasty. So there are many ways of preparing food. In this class, let us discuss some methods of preparation of food. So we have a certain methods of preparation in our class, that means in this lesson. So let us see what are the food items we are preparing by this method. First one, boiling. So boiling, by using this method boiling, what are the food items we are preparing? So let us see. First one, boiling. So you have textbook. Those who have textbook, open the textbook and observe the table number 6. So boiling, what are the food items we are using? Rice and dal, potatoes. We will use potatoes. Potatoes also we will boil, and eggs also. Eggs. So etc. You can add if you know any food items, you can also add. And next method, steaming. Steaming. So what are the food items preparing by the method steaming? So idli. Idli. For the preparation of idli, we use this method. Steaming is the method for preparing idli. And one more, you can also, some curries also, people are using this method to prepare some curry. And one more method, fermentation. Fermentation. What is fermentation? So fermentation is a method of preparation. For example, idli preparation and dosa preparation during that time. So this dal, before one day we have to grind and keep aside for 8 hours. So during this process, what is happening? The carbohydrates changing into alcoholic and organic acids. So So simply, fermentation is a method of preparing food. తెలుగులో అంటే ఇడ్లీ ప్రిపేర్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ దాల్ని గ్రైండ్ చేసి రవ్వ కలిపి కొన్ని గంటలు పక్కన పెడతాం. సో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈస్ట్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ అవుద్ది అనమాట. సో ఈ ఈస్ట్ బ్యాక్టీరియా అంటే గుడ్ బ్యాక్టీరియా ప్రొడ్యూసెస్ ఇన్ దట్ మెటీరియల్. సో దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఫెర్మెంటేషన్. సో fermentation method for preparing food items like bread and dosa. For preparing bread and dosa, etc. Idli also will use. Etc. So these are the food items we use fermentation method. And one more, fourth one, roasting. So what are the food items we prepare by the method roasting? Give some examples. So roasting, chicken roast, and dosa also roast. Dosa also we can prepare by the method roasting. And one more, cutting and mixing. Cutting and mixing. So just cut the vegetables and fruits. Sometimes we can use fruits also, cutting and mixing. So what are the food items we prepare cutting and mixing? Fruit salad and vegetable snack. So you can write salads, fruit salad and vegetable snacks. Vegetable snacks, fruit salads, we use this method, cutting and mixing. And one more method, frying. Frying is different from roasting. Roasting is different and frying is different. Okay. So frying, we use these food items, so vegetable curries. So vegetable curries. Some curries we use only fries. For example, ladies finger fry, potato chips, potato fry, and different fries, no? That is all. So these are the different methods and different food items. We are following the methods: boiling, rice, dal, potato, eggs, and steaming, etc. Once again, we go through all these methods of preparation and what are the food items we are following the methods. Next one, tasty food. So next concept, tasty food. Tasty food. Tasty food. We generally say the food is tasty. This food is tasty. That food is tasty. But how does the food gets its taste? So what are the methods we have to follow to prepare tasty food? Let us see now. The taste of the food depends on two things. One is ingredients. What are the ingredients we are using? Ingredients means what? In the previous class we have discussed what are the ingredients. What are the ingredients? The required materials to prepare a particular dish are known as ingredients. So the taste of the food depends on primarily its ingredients. And the second one is method of preparation. method of preparation. That means which method you followed. For example, some people always likes fry, some people always likes this pulusu, and some people always likes gravy curries. So different people likes different. So depending on our taste, we will follow the method of preparation, and we will add some ingredients also to get its taste. So two things you have to keep in mind while preparing tasty food. So one thing, ingredients. You have to add different ingredients. That means all the required ingredients, if you use, definitely the food will be tasty. And the second thing is method of preparation. So this is also very important. If you have all the ingredients also, you don't know how to cook, which method you have to use, then the food will be spoiled. That is why to prepare a tasty food, we need to follow these two things, ingredients and method of preparation. Do you know how to prepare any food item? So if you don't know, try to know. So at least you have to know how to prepare your favorite food item. So now let us discuss a tasty food, how to prepare a tasty food. Now let us discuss about a food item, upma, how to prepare a tasty upma. Now let us prepare a tasty food upma. So see activity 4. From the textbook, activity 4. So those who have textbook, please open the textbook and watch page number 7, activity 4, preparation of tasty food upma. Upma. So first we have to write aim. What is aim? Our aim is to prepare upma. If you don't know the aim, afterwards it will become something. That is why first of all you have to keep in mind which food item you are going to prepare, upma. Okay, this is our aim. Finally, after completing, it should be like a upma, not any other food item. Okay, keep in mind. So our aim is ready to prepare upma. Now what is the next step? You should collect all the ingredients, required materials. That's called ingredients. Let us see what are the ingredients. Ingredients. Ingredients means what are the required materials. That means what do you need? What do you need? You have to collect. These are all called ingredients. What do you need to prepare upma? First one, upma ravva. Upma ravva. Onion, green chilies, next oil. We need oil also, no? Oil, salt, tomatoes, water, mustard. Mustard seeds means aval. Mustard seeds, and one more, curry leaves. We need pan also, pan, etc. For the tasty purpose, if you want, you can add cashew nuts also if you have. Okay, it will be more tasty. So now we have the things, that means we have required material. First one, our aim to prepare upma, and next one, what we need, ingredients, upma rava, onion, green chilies, oil, salt, tomatoes, water, mustard seeds, and curry leaves and pan, etc. Okay, next one, how to do. The next step is how to do, how to prepare upma. That means procedure. We have to follow procedure. Okay. So what is the procedure? Let us see. Procedure. Procedure. Okay. D-U-R-E. Procedure. Now let us see how to prepare, how to do. What is the procedure? First of all, we have to wash all the vegetables. If any vegetables are there, what are the vegetables are there here? Tomatoes, green chilies, onions, okay, curry leaves. These are all we have to wash properly. Then after washing, we have to chop them into nicely with the help of a sharp knife. You have to take care while cutting the vegetables. It's very important. Knives, while using knives, we have to take some precautions. Okay. So after washing the vegetables, you have to cut the vegetables into small pieces and keep aside. Now take the pan. Already we have a pan. Keep the pan on the stove and with the low flame start the stove. Then after 2-3 minutes the pan becomes little hot. Then pour 2 to 3 spoons of oil in the pan. So after the oil becomes hot, you have to add mustard seeds. Mustard seeds. Okay, next onion pieces, green chili pieces and tomato pieces. You have to add to the oil and fry them for some time, just till it becomes a little yellow color, that means little brownish color. So you have to fry them. After frying all these vegetable pieces and mustard seeds, so we have to add sufficient water to it, then let it boil for some time. Let's wait. So after boiling, then we have to add upma rava. So while adding this rava, you have to take care. So by adding one hand, you have to add rava, and with another hand, you have to mix it properly, thoroughly. So while adding rava, you have to take care. So mixing, and that means stirring well and add the rava. So after adding, stir it well again. After stirring well, you have to wait 2 to 3 minutes. So after a few minutes, it becomes thick. Now the tasty upma is ready. So what do you learn from this? By adding different ingredients and following the method of preparation, we can make a tasty upma. So like this, any food item, by adding sufficient, that means required material, and following the method of preparation, we can make a tasty dish, a tasty food. So in the same way, maybe you have a favorite food item. Try to know how to prepare your favorite food item. So collect all the ingredients and get to know what is the method, which method is suitable to get a tasty food and prepare your own favorite food item. So this is a good task for you. After preparing a good tasty food, you can taste it and enjoy with your family. So now one more interesting thing. So after cooking everything, some people decorates the food. By watching the food itself, we can water our mouth. Okay. So that means for decorating the food, people use some vegetables, varieties of vegetables, and nicely they will cut and arrange different shapes. So this cutting and preparing, giving shapes to the vegetables, this method is called vegetable carving. Vegetable carving, cutting into different flowers and bird shapes, flower shapes. So like this people will give. So you can also observe the figures in the textbook also is there. So you can see the figures also. So this is called vegetable carving. So my dear students, now you have a home task. So what is home task? Including filling these tables given in the textbook, already we filled. So including that, so one more homework, that is you have to write the procedure and ingredients of preparing your favorite food item. So first of all, select your favorite food item, then write aim to prepare dash. That means to prepare your which food item you likes, you can write. For example, semia payasam, right? Semia payasam. Noodles, you can write noodles. So like that. Then ingredients, what are the ingredients? So write the ingredients, all the ingredients. Then procedure, how to prepare. Then the next thing, what do you observe? So this is the home task. You have to write and send to me. We will meet again in the next class with another topic. So until then, keep watching. Thank you.